Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the fettling and casting defects. Fettling or cleaning of castings. Fettling is carried out the following: removal of casting from the mold, that is the seck out, and the removal of sand core from casting, which is known as knockout. The steps involved in fettling or cleaning are: it starts with removal of sand and other impurities, then removal of excess metal, and finally finishing the casting. The following video clip shows how fettling process carried out in industries. This is the process of removal of unwanted metal in the casting. Now let us see what is casting defects. Casting defect is an undesired or unwanted irregularity in the metal casting process. Sometimes the defect can be tolerated, whereas some other time it can be repaired. Otherwise, they must be eliminating from the further process. Misrun is one of the casting defect. The job and where misrun takes place. This is due to the lack of fluidity of molten metal. The molten metal solidifies before it fills the cavity. This leads to incomplete casting. Cold shut. This is the workpiece. And you can observe the cold set defects. It is a V depression that occurs in the surface of flat casting. It results due to the sand expansion caused by the heat of the metal. Hot tear. This is a job or workpiece. This defect is called hot tear. It's a crack in the casting caused by high residual stresses. Flash. The cavity in the mold. This is the die. Gap between the two dies. The thin web of metal on the casting which occurs at parting line is called flash. This flash is occur due to the gap between two dies. shift or mismatch. If you clearly observe this job, you can see the mismatch of casting. It is a defect caused by the sidewise displacement of the mold relative to the drag, which result in step in the cast product at the parting line. Shrinkage. And let us observe how and what shrinkage, how it affects the casting. It's a depression or internal void in casting that result from the volume contraction during solidification of molten metal. Blow defect. This is a cast metal and this is known as blow. Blow is relatively large cavity produced by gases which displace the molten metal from the cavity. Drop defect. This is the extra drop. In a mold, it is in the mold, it's an irregular shape projection on the cope surface of the casting. Scap defect. Penetration. When you observe the job closely, you can see the defect of penetration. It occurs when the molten metal flows between the sand particle in the mold. Warpage. Warpage is an indesirable deformation in the casting that occurs during or after solidification. Blowholes defect. Blowholes is a small hole below the surface of the casting is caused by entrapped bubbles of gases. Porosity. Porosity is a small hole on the surface of the casting. This is due to gas dissolved in the alloy. Pinhole. Pinholes. Pinholes are small gas holes either at the surface or just below the part surface.